Well, here's my sketch ready, and I was about to color it with the alcohol markers, but my desk lamp here started flickering. I'm still going to do this, and hopefully it doesn't affect the quality of the video, but I'm looking to get a new desk lamp soon, so until then. This is another attempt at doing an architectural concept sketch using alcohol markers. In this video I tried to use my own sense of the colors to work into the sketch, and this time I managed to get a better result out of the drawing. While it was quite fun to do, I ran into some problems with the markers that I was using. One of the grey markers dried up and ran out of ink, and some of the colors seemed to be mixed up or just wrongly labeled. One of them was even missing the color of the ink altogether. This was quite challenging because I was trying to follow the video that I was watching as best as I could, and the colors were just not cooperating at times. I had to experiment, and it led me to making some marks which I sort of regretted. But in the end, the marks blended into the drawings quite well. Now, I know that old saying where a bad workman blames his tools, but I think that these cheap markers are not allowing me to reveal or express my full potential in making a professional looking amazing drawing. The drawing has turned out to be quite nice, but I feel that I'm more capable than these markers are allowing me to be. I want to look into getting some better markers, but I don't really know what to look for. I've tried looking at Copic markers and Prismacolor, but they're really quite expensive, and I don't need the highest end markers. I just need markers that won't die on me or trick me while I'm trying to work with them. This is going to take some research, and I'll look into getting some better ones. Until then, I'll try and work with these in the meanwhile. If you have any suggestions, do let me know in the comment section. It would be really helpful. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a like. I'm intending to do more of these because I'm enjoying it, and learning this skill is going to be really useful for when I want to convey ideas to you in the house model series that I'm working on. Thanks for watching, and check out some of the other videos that I have. And don't buy cheap markers.